Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be doing my skincare routine. Sorry, my family is yelling. If you hear any yelling in the back, that's them. I apologize in advance. I have loud family members. But morning routine. I'm doing my skincare, taking a bath, going outside, going to look at nature and stuff like that. This video may be all over the place, but yeah. So the first clip I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for my siblings to get out of the bathroom so I can take a whole bath. So I'm going to take my bath, do my skincare. My mom was supposed to go to the store too, so yeah. And then so basically it's a day in my life. So the first thing we'll do is
maybe we'll be okay.
Get out my clothes.
I know that you're
get out my
clothes. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
Alright, hi guys, I just got out of the shower, so now I literally like this cleanser, but first, before that, I need to put on deodorant, and I need to I'm the most active in the morning, so I don't know what happens in the morning routine yet. I have my Cetaphil, my morning facial cleanser, and my toothpaste. I literally just do a top of toothpaste. I use ccredit's toothpaste. My Colgate 360 toothbrush. So the reason why I'm in my room is people's arm aesthetics. Recently, I took a shower. I needed to take a shower. So that's why it's really supposed to be how, in my, hygiene stuff. Well, my brushing my teeth. I feel like brushing your teeth is more healthier and better. I feel like I actually in my room because my siblings and they were listening to me. When you last saw me, they were using me. So I was like, I don't know. I decided to just go over it. Deodorant is so weird.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Alright, so my morning
there must be something bad with
I do this, but I can't. So we're just going to wait until we get my bag out too. If you didn't hear me in the first clip, my mom's getting to the store, so I'm going to get my bag.
Baby, it's 4:30. My whole world is I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain.
I'm putting a date in refreshing.
Down, let's come
It tastes like gum.
take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
The lights are not that good. Not really got I got my favorite cleanser and my teeth are clean and brushed, cleany whites. That made no sense. Anyways, but now I'm going to put on my facial cleanser. I put it on my hands. It's the daily facial cleanser. This cleanser has so many people say it didn't work, but for my skin specifically it works. And the dermatologist recommended it worked right.
Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why?
I don't want to get close. I feel like we need to I do my hair after my facial cleanser because it also gets in my hair. I need one of those skincare how do you say it? So my cleanser won't get in the way in my hair. Anyways, facial cleanser. I look so weird when I put my facial cleanser on. Anyways, so I'm going to go wash this off. I'm going to go wash this off and I'll be back with you guys. I'm back from the store and I'm gonna go take a walk today. So see you guys later. JK, I'm back. I washed my facial cleanser off. I got a little bit of it in my nose, but we're fine. My mom's yelling at my siblings, of course, because my siblings seem like they don't know how to act. Anyways, I think I'm the civilized one here. Alright, so now I'm gonna put on my morning facial cleanser. I got it in my nose. Alright. I need to get some more. I probably need to get some more than that. My mom likes going out in the morning, but I like going out at night. Once upon a time, I heard that I was ugly. Alexa, I may get copyright. Let's turn it down a little bit. Alexa, what time is it?
She's a Mona Lisa.
It's 7:56 a.m. It's 7:56 a.m. Good morning. Thank you, Alexa. She calls me Rihanna. Like, I'm not Rihanna. I'm Rihanna. But I wish I was Rihanna. Rihanna is a good music artist. Anyway.
Yeah. I've been feeling so down.
I'm gonna have to cut all of this out.
Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No.
Alright, so my morning facial out. I don't know what people are talking about with the facial cleanser, because the facial cleanser makes my face soft and it makes my face, it feels hydrated. So I don't really know what that is about. But now I'm gonna do my hair. Usually I just pick it out with my hand. Alright, so we're gonna make this first. I have my sister made it for me. This is jewelry box thing she made. Really cute. I have this necklace I got from Shein. Thing that I got from Shein. This from Shein. Practically all my necklaces. Oh, there's my other necklaces. Right here. And then this one is also from Shein. I think I'm going to wear the heart. They're still on the topic about something that happened yesterday. Anyways, so this is how it looks. Very nice. I actually feel really refreshed, and I'm thankful because I thought I was going to feel really bad, and that I wasn't going to be able to film it for you guys. Because usually in the morning, when I wake up, I feel not okay. Oh, well, that is the cleanser. The body wash I use. I just use some of this because that's why it's not as full. But I use Suave Sweet and Violet body wash. Now we have to make my bed. My floor is an absolute mess. My computer is just my computer. But well, you see for yourself. I'm going to clean my bed, then I'll be back with you guys. I think I'm going to go sit outside for a little bit until they get ready and eat a snack and talk to you guys outside. So it's almost 8 o'clock. So I'll see you guys outside. I'm ready. Back from Shein. And I'm going to drink some apple juice and bar. I was gonna go outside, but it looks like it's gonna rain, so